Well, those spring showers are sure great for flowers, but not so much for your basement. Today's CI Home sponsor, Woods Basement Systems, explains what you can do to keep your home dry inside. Dave Thompson back with us with some fun toys that we're going to talk about here in just a moment. Welcome back.
It's my man magnet.
Oh, nice. Very good.
Good to see you, Heather.
Yes, you as well. Okay, so before we talk about waterproofing our homes, there's probably some things we need to consider before that process.
Especially if you have a foundation crack. Because this time of year with all the rain and or the winter frost shoving and heaving and pushing in those cracks, obviously if they're leaking, we want them to have waterproof. But if there's something structural, we need to check that out and make sure your foundation's sound and stable.
So we get that fixed first.
Right, and then waterproof.
Then we move on to the waterproofing. Okay, so I think we actually have some video here of how the process looks and works. So I'm hoping we can take a look here and you can kind of walk us through maybe what we're seeing here. So, ooh, those are some fast workers.
And we got to get to the next job. There's a lot of homes out there that need us. So as you see, we're using some of the structure of the house, but we use steel too. So we're not just using the home itself, but steel to reinforce the wall. Highly important for that because your house is, your foundation wall is designed to hold up your house. Your house is not designed to hold back the wall. Therefore, we add the steel that you see there, have several options depending on the foundation types. Poured wall is a little bit different than the block wall there, but we can fix the problem. We got the right patented products. Sometimes that's at a footing instead of on the floor because some of the floors aren't strong enough. We're going to do the repair right.
So you just mentioned these are like equipment and pieces that are specific to Woods Basement Systems.
Exactly. As a matter of fact, what I'm holding right here and in that picture, that reinforcement, is a patented pending process. I'm sorry, the patent has gone through. It's a process that no one else can copy. We engineered it, like I said, to make sure that the foundation is designed to hold up the home. The home is not supposed to have wood against it to hold the wall back. We need steel. So this broad, long piece gets reinforced against the wall to the steel brackets you saw.
Yeah, and then what is this heavy duty?
Well, that's the beam.
Was that what they were putting up in the ceiling?
No, that's the vertical beam.
Oh, this was the going up and down.
Pick it up if you, hang on.
Oh, Dave, that is heavy.
And that's just a small piece.
Oh my gosh.
So, yeah, our guys get a good workout when they do that, but it's a great repair. It permanently stabilizes that wall. You don't have to worry about that wall anymore.
Wow, okay.
And then we waterproof it.
Not
Here,
even,
let me help you.
I know. I am not even kidding. That is really heavy. Okay, so what does that process look like for the homeowner from like start to finish? How long do you think that takes?
It depends on the wall and how quickly they catch the problem. But we've been in houses where we got to do all 4 walls. So we're going to be there a few days.
So there is an option of just doing maybe 1 wall.
Exactly. A lot of times, depending if you have a slope to the back of the house, it's only the front wall that shifts in. So we only repair what's broken.
Okay,
so we'll do a good estimate. We'll give you some options for the repair with the different products we have. And yeah, we'll take care of it.
There you go. Now we're ready to waterproof?
And now we're ready to waterproof.
Okay, so what does that entail?
Well, you know, sump pump upgrade, waterproofing. We can do some things on the outside if we see that needs to be done. Depends on outside drainage, but we've been doing this since 1986. So yeah, we know what we're doing.
We can trust that you know what's going on. You're going to be in Mahomet this weekend.
Come see us at the home show. Yeah. And we can hook up a free estimate there, or if not, just contact us. But if you want to talk to me, I'll be there all day Saturday.
Okay, very cool. Well, we appreciate you coming, introducing us to some very cool technology here, only available at the All Things Basement-y Woods Basement Systems. Well, have a great weekend.
Thanks, Heather.
You're welcome. If you want to learn a little bit more, maybe you are tired of your basement leaking and bringing in water, gotta check that foundation first, and we'll have all of that information on how you can connect with Dave and his team at Woods Basement Systems at ciLiving.tv. And we do thank them for sponsoring our segment.